Hi, everybody. It's Shirl, your Avon Team Shine sales team leader. Happy Sunday to you all. I did some videos yesterday and I messed them up. I didn't share the screen. I thought I had, and so I'm doing them over today. This is my second one that I had to do over the last one, thank goodness. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday today. Normally I take Sundays off, but not today. So I am wearing the Bluebell printed dress from the Mark line. This is available in campaign 7. I love it. The material is amazing. And I do have short arms, so I like it when they have the elastic to keep them up. Otherwise, with long sleeves, they tend to fall all the way down on my hands. So I really like it. It's got elastic in the waist. It's got the tie up here. Anyways, it's really pretty. And I have the pave, the pastel pave earrings on with the matching ring. Isn't that pretty? They're square shaped, as you can see, and I just love it. So those are available now, I believe. So let's get started. The number one thing I'm going to do is share my screen. Not going to make that mistake again. Okay, so what I'm going over today is how to do a digital book toss and send the brochure link via text message. Now, I do everything on an iPhone. It's all I've ever had, you know, once they got smartphones. I don't know what the differences are if you're using the Android or anything like that. So hopefully it's real similar. So let's see here. Slideshow from beginning. Okay. So let's get started. So first thing I want to show you. So this is my phone screen. I've got pages and pages of apps on it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go down here and click on the iPhone, it's Safari. So you're going to open up your internet browser, which is Safari. And then you're going to go to your e-store, your website, your Avon website, and get that opened. Now what I'm going to show you right now, let's see what's up next. Okay, so this is going to be how to send the brochure link via text message. So you've got this open, you're on your e-store. You can actually click this little square with the arrow and you can bookmark your e-stores to make it easier to go to. And let me open up my phone here and show you that. Let me get over to my e-store. Or you can do, the brochure. You can bookmark your brochure to make it easy access. So I'm going to my e-store right now. And if you look on this next page, if you go to the menu up here in the upper right corner, upper left corner, well, that's just not working right. You're going to select brochures. So you're going to go to your brochures, and once you go to that, you have it opened up. Now what you can do is up here where it says avon.com, you can right click on that and this will open up for you to copy. Select copy, and that way you have that URL copied for your customers to go directly to your website. So let me see here. Okay, so then you're going to go to your text messages and you're going to right click in here, or actually if you just tap on it twice, paste will pop up and you're going to put that link in there. Now go back to before the link and you can type some text, like right here. I sent this to my husband. Avon Campaign 5 starts today. Just click the link to view the brochure. So when you hit send, it's going to have your text and it's going to have the link. And if they click on that link, it's going to go directly to their to your store. So it's a great way to get people used to viewing your brochure online. It will save you money. You won't have to buy brochures if you can get your customers used to that. And I know that a lot of customers, they want the brochure in their hand. They want to be able to hold it, to read it, to take their time, you know, sitting in front of the TV, laying in bed, whatever the case might be. And that's okay. Make sure that you're getting those brochures to those customers. But there are a lot of people that are used to doing everything online. They do all of their shopping online. And this is a great way for those customers to get the information to view your brochure online. And this is how you can send that to them via text message. It's really simple. It works real well. Now, as far as, let me go back here. So one way, another thing that you can do is what we call a digital book toss. Now, in all the four plus years that I've been with Avon, I never throw my brochures away. I save them, I put them in a bag, and I toss them. I actually have tossed a brochure in every driveway of the city that I live in. So I completed that feat. I was pretty proud of it too. But I've never tossed a brochure to the same house more than once, because there's so many houses that I want to get my brochure to, those potential customers, that I'm not going to just keep putting them in the same driveways. So I've, the adjoining city to where I live, the city of Hemet, I've tossed a brochure. I think I'm up to about a third of that city. So yeah, that's a lot of brochures. I think in our valley, well, in San Jacinto alone, there's 75,000 people. I'm not sure. I think it's like 14,000 homes. So I've done a lot of book tossing. Now, that being said, there's a way to do this same concept, but do it digitally without having to toss an actual brochure. You do it all digitally. And this works. You have to be on Wi-Fi. So you want to be in a place such as a shopping mall, an airport, Starbucks. A lot of restaurants have free Wi-Fi. So any place out there that has free Wi-Fi and you're in that area, you want to make sure that you connect to that Wi-Fi. And then you go to your e-store. I wanted to show you how to bookmark it, but I'm having a little bit of an issue. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let me show you how to bookmark. So you go to the brochure, like I told you, with that drop-down menu. Okay, so I've gone to the brochure. Now to bookmark it, let me unshare my screen so that you can see this better. So you'll see the box with the arrow on it. You want to click on that. Okay, so you can go up here and you can add bookmark. So you click on that right there, and that will bookmark this page. E-brochure. Okay, I just wanted to see what it said. And then just click save up here. And now that is bookmarked, so that when you go to, go back there. So I've opened up a new browser, and you click right here with the book, and this will show your bookmarks. So I can go directly to the brochure by clicking on that, and there you have it. Now to do a digital book toss, again, you're going to be in a location that does have, let me share this again. You're going to be in a location that does have Wi-Fi. Now you see this, the same thing, the square with the arrow on it. see here. Okay, so I've clicked on that, and you'll see right up here it says airdrop, share instantly with people nearby. So if you click on more, anybody that is on an iPhone that is connected to the Wi-Fi and that has their airdrop turned on, their names are going to appear here in this area. And you can just click on them and it will send them the link to your e-brochure. You have to make sure that you have your brochure opened before you do this, but it will send them the link to your e-brochure. And what that does is, you know, a lot of people might be afraid to do it. Oh my gosh, that's so invasive. That's just rude. But that's why we turn our airdrop on, so that people can send us information. And it's not any different than tossing brochures in people's driveways. They didn't ask for that brochure, but you're giving it to them with the hopes that, yes, they are going to be interested and they do want to look at the brochure and they do want to order. It's the same concept. It's just a different way to get that information to them. So this is how you would do what we call a digital book toss. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. I will show you right here. I'm going to do it for you so you can see it. Let me stop share on my screen. Okay. So down here, I have it on my brochure, and here is the square with the arrow. Click on that, and you'll see up here where the airdrop pops up with the more. Let me click more. Because I'm at home, I'm not in a public place, so I don't have that option of people popping up their names and everything. But I guarantee you, the next time that I am at an airport or at the shopping mall or anywhere that has free Wi-Fi, I'm going to be hooked up and I'm going to do this. I'm really excited about it. It's just another way to market your Avon business and your e-brochure and your website and get those online sales. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. Give it a try. Give all these little tips and tricks that I do. Try everything once. Not everything is going to work for everybody. You've got to decide what is best for you. Because the ultimate goal is to grow your business, and you just got to try everything. It's a you know, it's a hit or miss, but I think most everything that I do works for me, so hopefully it'll work for you too. Have a great rest of the day. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any other tips and tricks that you'd like to share, share them with our Avon Team Shine Facebook group. We would love to hear those tips and tricks. Everybody would. We're here for each other, to support each other. So again, have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.